looking at the beautiful autumn scenery and listen to the sound of the peaceful forest. Calm your mind and loosen up your body. Now, start to take gentle, slow, deep breaths while watching the beautiful scenery of forest. Now, close your eyes and continue to breathe slowly. Now, you see yourself breathing in the middle of the deep, peaceful woods. Now you are breathing fresh air at the deep and beautiful forest. You feel your breaths getting much deeper and deeper. Now you are feeling your mind and body becoming calm and comfortable. With this comfort, you are breathing slowly now. You are breathing slowly as you feel yourself more relaxed. You feel more relaxed as you breathe more slowly. You are hearing the sound and imagining the scenery of the beautiful autumn forest. Now you see the beautiful, splendid waterfall in front of you. You see the water spilling down the side of the mountain over the rocks and into a crystal clear puddle. It looks so beautiful and peaceful. This is the place of peace. Now you feel your mind and body become completely calm and relax. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.